Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Zoom transcripts to Google Drive with automation, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your Zoom application and navigate to the settings. Under the recording tab, ensure that your transcripts are enabled for future meetings. Join a meeting and after the session, allow Zoom to process the recording. Once complete, go to the Zoom web portal and sign in with your account. Click on My Account located in the top right corner of the page. Select Recordings from the menu on the left side. Locate the specific meeting for which you need the transcript. Click on the meeting title to access its details. Here, you'll find the transcript file. Click the download option next to the transcript file to save it to your device. Now, open Google Drive in your web browser and sign in to your account. Choose the folder where you wish to save the transcripts. Click on the New button in the top left corner. Select File Upload from the drop-down menu. Browse for the downloaded transcript file and select it to upload. For automation, consider using a tool like Zapier. Create a Zapier account if you haven't done so already. Once logged in, click on Make a Zap. Select Zoom as your triggering app. Choose the trigger event, such as New Recording. Connect your Zoom account and test the trigger. Next, select Google Drive as your action app. For the action event, choose Upload File. Connect your Google Drive account to Zapier. Map the necessary fields, including the file URL and destination folder in Google Drive. Click Test and Continue to verify the setup. If successful, click Turn on Zap. Now, your transcripts will automatically back up to Google Drive after each Zoom meeting. With these steps, you can seamlessly save your Zoom transcripts without manual effort. Enjoy the effortless organization and accessibility of your meeting notes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.